So, how did you get on? Well, two bad things might have happened. One is you might have tried lots of things and just keep getting stuck all the time and got frustrated. And another thing is you might have got it reasonably quickly and you think job done. That's it. Well, the purpose of all these puzzles is not to just get them out and move on. It's to see how you've solved it and see did you use any strategies that could be useful in other puzzles. So that's what we're really trying to do is develop problem solving strategies, an arsenal of problem solving strategies that will be useful to us. So the approach you might have taken or you should have taken is to just maybe have a go, try a number of different things. Um, and you might get stuck and then you might decide start again and then you'll try again and then you're stuck again. Now, are you trying the same thing again and again? So having a go is great. That's trial and error. So we can be a bit more sophisticated. Um, trial, fail, and try something new. So uh, this leads us to, I suppose, to two possible ways of looking at this. One is uh, where do we get stuck? When do we know we're stuck? And can we back up a bit and try a different move? Another way of looking at that is, can we see anything, any pattern when we're stuck that's common every time we're stuck? Is there something in common with the arrangement of the coins? Um, and is there a way to avoid that? So that's one approach that we could use to solve this particular puzzle. There's another one that is a very useful problem-solving strategy, and it can't always be used, but it can be used in a lot of cases, and that is to simplify the problem. So this is a tricky problem. Can we simplify this problem, and how do we do that? Have 4 frogs on 5 lily pads, for instance. And maybe that would help us learn some technique that could be expanded to 6 frogs and then maybe to 8 frogs or whatever. So maybe have a go again using some of these strategies, but remember, it's not enough really to have just solved the problem. You need to be able to repeat that. In other words, you need to be able to know what you've done. Um, Otherwise, you may have just solved it by accident. And by reflecting on a puzzle after you've solved it, you're starting to think like a real problem solver and you're developing these great problem solving skills that are among the most important skills in today's world and in today's workplace. So I'm not going to tell you the answer just yet because uh, there's no joy in that for me or for you. And go and have a go again and see how you get on. And then we'll look and see um, and maybe discuss the puzzle after this.